Ever feel like you keep circling the same make money online idea, hoping this one finally clicks? That's usually where people run into Hempworx, created by Josh and Jenna Zwagel under the MyDailyChoice umbrella. It shows up fast. A friend posts about wellness, someone else flashes a payout screenshot, and suddenly it looks like a door you might be missing. I get it. Most people aren't lazy. They're tired, they've tried stuff before, they bought a course, joined a group, stocked products in the garage, and somehow they still ended up right back where they started. Hempworx runs on a familiar setup. You sell CBD products. You also recruit others to sell them. If your team grows, your income can grow too. That part does appeal to people who like community and structure. And to be fair, the products themselves aren't junk. They're American sourced, professionally packaged, and easy to explain to everyday buyers. That's one quiet advantage. Another plus is momentum. When a company is loud, active, and visible, selling feels easier. You don't feel like you're pushing a secret idea. And for some, the social side keeps them motivated longer than working alone ever would. But here's where things get real. Most people don't actually want to recruit. They say they do, but they don't. That creates pressure fast. You also have ongoing product costs, which means you're paying even when sales slow down. And the biggest issue is timing. Hempworx already had its big wave. Joining late means more effort for smaller results. That doesn't make it a scam, it just makes it harder. I've also noticed confusion trips people up. Income plans, rank rules, what you can and can't say. That mental load wears people down, especially beginners. So if you're disciplined, social, and comfortable promoting products daily, Hempworx can work. It's just not simple. And simple is what most people actually need. If what you really want is clarity, control, and a clean path forward, there's a better option I recommend. It's called Master Affiliate Profits, or MAP. You can get started for free. No products to stock, no recruiting pressure, no guessing what to say. The training walks you through choosing offers, driving traffic, and earning commissions step by step. You also get free tools, lifetime commissions, and a community that doesn't vanish when the hype fades. I'm Charles Draven from Map Syndicate, and when you create a new Map account using the link on this page, I'm giving you 14 premium bonuses at no cost. That includes traffic guides, email list training, high-ticket funnel templates, AI prompt packs, fast start blueprints, and tools that turn your content into passive income videos. All you do is sign up, follow the training, share your referral link, and grow at your own pace. Check out the Map Syndicate link below in the description and see how simple this can actually be.